Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures.
Timo discovers a beautiful bird's egg resting beneath a tree. The shell looks smooth and very delicate, as if it could be easily damaged. Timo wonders how carefully he should move near it. An important word becomes useful. Fragile. Fragile means easily broken or damaged. Timo kneels quietly and makes sure not to touch the egg. He stood up carefully, making sure the nest remained safe. Soon, the mother bird returns and settles over it. Timo is glad he treated it with care. Timo remembers that when something is fragile, it must be handled gently, and respect for delicate things is an important part of every journey.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.